I'm Dan Fitzpatrick at StockMarketMentor.com. I want to talk about Tesla today, and here's why, because everybody else wants me to talk about it too. This is probably one of the most widely watched stocks. Say that really fast 5 times. Widely watched stocks in the market right now for a few different reasons. First of all, its valuation is now larger than Ford. Also, they've been delivering an uncommonly high number of autos. So there's a lot of bullish stuff going around about Tesla, but let's look at some stuff that really matters. I've said for a long time, and I'll continue to say it, this company doesn't really trade on fundamentals. It just doesn't. They don't earn any money. They burn cash. Like a lost hiker in the wilderness with a fistful of dollars and a bad case of hypothermia. The bottom line is fundamentally they stink. However, with that said, technically there's some fundamentals that we really like here. The biggest one is this. There's actually two. 40% of the float is short, and this stock is now at an all-time high, which means every single trader who is short Tesla is screaming now. And I think that is a significant amount of the buying pressure here. I mean, there wasn't any real specific catalyst that's responsible for pushing the stock up this high. At least I don't think so. I think this is the biggest one right here. But also, if we look at the weekly chart, this thing has been trending sideways like for years. Literally for years, never getting above $300. We've got a test here, not quite so much here, but then even back here. So there's been multiple tests of this level, and that makes $300 a real critical level, had been level of resistance. Now I'm looking at it as a level of support going forward. Maybe not exactly. I could see the stock dipping down below 3 over the next day or two, maybe even to 290. But absent some, some bit of news that's going to force folks to get out of Tesla, I think any pullback is actually buyable. Also, if you're already long the stock, and Stock Market Mentor members, hopefully you are, because I've been talking about this for the last several days. If you're already long the stock, I would just stay long. I would just absolutely stay long, because if you are selling the stock, what you're really doing is, you're committing an act of philanthropy, which is nice, but you're letting some short guy get his shares back. Don't do that. Just ride this thing until it bucks you off, and my bet is this is going a lot higher. Okay, members, over to the strategy session, and we're going to talk about other things that are working. I'm going to make sure you're in the right stocks at the right time.